If you've got dogs, then you're probably familiar with having to pick up the dog poop every morning and maybe every evening when you come home from work. And if you're like me, maybe you've got a little pile of dog poop down the bottom of the garden that you add to. When it gets too tall, you then start a new pile. Or if you've got time, you bag it and you bin it, and when the bin's full, you empty it and then you start filling it up again. Well, I've been in the septic tank business for 20 years, and last year someone came up to me and said, "Jason, do you do a septic tank for dogs?" And I said, "No." He said, "Can you?" So I invented him one, and the results were incredible. And so that made me and my wife think. So we went back to the drawing board, and this is what we came up with: a dog poop septic tank. Yeah, that's right. Right. So now all you literally do is you get your dog poop, you pick it up, you take the lid off, and you put it in here. Put the lid back, and inside there's an organic ecosystem made of worms and bacteria, and they break down the dog poop into safe, clean, natural organic fertilizer that just drains away naturally into the soil. This is an above ground septic tank, so you don't have to worry about burying it. It can go on the lawn, it can go in the yard, it can go in the garden, it doesn't matter, it can go anywhere. It's light, it's strong. I do two sizes. This is the large, which does 1 to 3 average sized dogs, or the next one up, which is about that tall and about that wide, will do 3 to 5 dogs. So this dog poop septic tank is strong and it's sturdy, it's light, but not only that, on top of it you'll notice that there's an organic air filter. So if you're worried about smells coming from the dog poop septic tank, then don't, because it doesn't smell, because the organic air filter filters any odours. All your smell is the roses and the fresh air in your garden. And this is a real septic tank. It's not like some of those bins that claim to be made in the style of a septic tank. It's a real septic tank because it's got an inlet, it's got an air vent, and it's got an actual soak away. So if you want to dispose of your dog's poop safely, naturally, alternatively, and organically, then go ahead and get yourself a dog poop septic tank. Imagine a natural, clean and easy way to dispose of your dog's poop. Welcome to the dog poop septic tank, an above ground septic tank that dissolves dog poop naturally. The dog poop septic tank is approximately 2.5 foot tall and neatly fits into any garden. Just remove the lid and put the dog poop into it. Now, as soon as the dog poop lands on the special shelf, organic worms and bacteria start to eat and digest all the solid dog poop. In turn, the worms poop out clean, organic, liquid fertilizer that drains out and soaks away into your soil. It also comes in 2 sizes: large, which does 1 to 3 dogs, and extra large, which does 3 to 5 dogs. We even do a larger size, which will do places like boarding kennels and will cater for anywhere from 35 to 100 dogs. The dog poop septic tank just takes a few minutes to set up. Simply just place the tank onto the ground, dig a very small hole for the soak-away pipe, and fill the hole with gravel or soil. You can even put your dog poop septic tank on bricks and just put the soak-away pipe into a bucket or other container. So, if you'd like some more information about this amazing dog poop septic tank, or you'd like to cleanly, organically, naturally and safely dispose of your dog's poop, just visit dogpoopseptictank.com or click the Learn More button below this video, and I'll show you how to safely, cleanly and organically dissolve your dog's poop.